Okay. So right now, you said that axle shot. You can tell by the way that it is, right?
You can tell because of the way that it is.
So we said that's our first concern.
This way, Barlink, you can see right. Try and get my face in here.
Sorry.
Right back here.
Get that.
Right here. These are worn out.
Oh, okay.
And
yeah.
super clunky.
Okay.
So those are shot.
Okay.
Both of them. On both sides.
Awesome.
That's fun.
Yeah.
We have, I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well, but in here you have a good oil leak.
Not sure, but I recorded it.
You can also tell right here where it's been leaking. All of this is covered in oil here. This coil pack looks way more greasy and oily than this one and this one.
Okay, okay.
And you can see a bunch of oil caked up on this. Or coolant.
Oh yeah, sure enough. Okay. Coolant.
My smell's still fucked up from being sick.
From being sick, I
It's really
know.
hard to tell. It smells like nothing. It's very helpful.
Useful. Okay, well, we will rain check the smell training. Is that what I'm trying to say? Yeah.
Now, make sure I'm not gonna burn the. Yeah, it's not that right. It's leaking. The reason it's smoking is it's leaking directly down into the exhaust.
Which is where, is that where the tick is coming from?
Yeah, but I can't see. I can try and listen for it.
Keep forgetting to bring the mechanic stethoscope. Oh. Rev it a little, yeah. Look at me doing important things. Oh, that's the brake. Oh, that was a lot. What'd you say?
It's very rattly. I can tell it's overdoing oil.
Oh, no. Really thick? Is that what that means?
Super thin.
Oh, thin. Oh, okay.
Don't bring any rags.
We have napkins in the car. I can grab one.
Not great. So that's all just staining.
Oh, okay. So you gotta explain it to me like I'm 5, because this does not look like my dipstick.
So we're looking for a nice, solid, dark, the whole dipstick up.
Okay.
Until this cross-hatching is, the very top is full, the very bottom is low.
Okay.
And it's not.
I see.
That's not great.
Ah!
It needs oil, man. It needs an oil change. It needs oil. It's
More oil leaking there. A little bit, huh?
looks like it's this valve cover. Let's try this. It's consistently on the bottom. It's
So it's got oil.
it's pretty low.
Oof.
Okay. For the day here.
Think we got what we need. Okay.
And then a lot.
And then a lot more. It's like when you're checking out in the grocery store and they're like, "Did you find everything okay today?" Too much. Thank you.
More than enough.
Well, guess I'll look them up an estimate and call her a day. Deuces.